Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl J Simone. Today you guys will be coming with me. I'm so excited. Today is my first day of seeing my client. Yes, I said client. If you do not know, I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't know, but I am trying to get into real estate and interior designing, taking that DIY to the next level, baby. Yes. So I am on my way to my first client. I am helping her redo her living room. I already made the mood boards for her. So today we will be going shopping. So for decor, and I will actually see the place. I only seen pictures and videos of her living room. So I will actually be seeing the actual place so I can get a better look, you know what I'm saying, so I can decorate it. She wanted to go with white, a modern white look, but she said it was a little too expensive. So she sent me a picture of the sofa that she brought and I'm like, this isn't modern white, this is more boho. So we switched the whole theme up. So I'm on my way to her now, so you guys will be following me, little vloggy vlog on my day. This is probably a part 1. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, what you doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and like this video because it'll help me out a lot. Thank you so much. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So this is how the living room looked when I walked in. We got the sofa, the accent chair, the rug, and the ottoman. She also brought the white pillows herself, and we're gonna get some pillowcases for those pillows that came with the sofa. She already had that plant, but this is how it looks before I did any type of alterations. We are in the living room. I showed y'all a clip of how it looked. I moved the couch, so this wasn't here at first. And then this little accent chair that was right there, we moved it right there just so the living room can have some depth. And we're trying to figure out where to put right here. So I was thinking a gallery wall, and then a storage dresser right here. And she didn't want any curtains, so we're just gonna leave the window blank. And I was thinking maybe a bench, but we probably don't even need a bench right there, just some decor. And then she has this nice fireplace right here. I was thinking a picture, I was thinking a mirror, but to fill this huge wall, I was thinking a long rectangular mirror right here, and then just a runner right here. And then we just gonna fill this baby up with decor. She already got a cute little plant right there. That's nice. We are getting pillowcases for these because this does not match the thing that we got going on right now. Trying to figure out what could go right here. This place is a loft style, so the ceilings are really high. So yeah, so we're gonna go to the store, find some pieces, and then we're gonna come back and try to put everything together. We may still have to go online to get a couple of things once we figure out where everything should be placed. I think it looks good so far. Just need a little decor, a little spice. Y'all know I'm professional, so I had to write down, make sure I had a list before we walked up in that store and ain't know what to get. So that's what y'all see me doing right now, Miss Professional, Miss Interior Designer. All right, so we are in Home Goods, and I'm trying to, no, we are not in Home Goods. We are at home. I don't really shop in here, but we're gonna see what they got. They got that's kind of bohemian. Basically, what we need is a dresser for the wall that we're gonna do the gallery wall on. Bohemian decor. A picture over top of the fireplace. We need a big picture. A long mirror. I was thinking IKEA. They don't have much stuff in here. A runner and pillowcases for those pillows that don't match the aesthetics. This is kind of cute, but is it the vibe? This will be more the vibe, but this is $80. See, at home is not giving. I need to go to somewhere a little bit cheaper, like Marshalls, like Home Goods. Home Goods are a little pricey too, but they're a little bit cheaper than at home. I'm gonna just look around and see if I find anything that sticks out to me. If not, we're going to the next spot. What about this? No. Maybe that. We gonna find something. I don't like none of this stuff. It's not giving. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this pimple. Anyway, so we are in Home Goods now, and as you can see, I already found some things. As you guys know or may not know, the theme is bohemian. We are in my favorite store. At home, I don't really go in there, so like I ain't really like the vibe. Look at this. This is really nice, but I don't think this is the color that we're going for. Oh, they got the mirrors in here. I love this. This is really cute. So I think I found a mirror. I don't think it's long enough, but it may do. This is like $150 though. Oh, these are nice too. We didn't get much from the store today, but it was definitely a successful shopping trip. We got that mirror for only $40. Yes, $40. Y'all, I think we found some stuff. Good shopping trip. Okay, guys, so we got a little bit done today. Let me show you. We put up the mirror. Yes, it's giving, period. I'm not gonna show you. We put up this picture as well. So cute. We're gonna put like a shelf like right here to add decor, and then we're gonna get some like decor for down there. We're thinking about putting like those little decorative ladders right here that store the blankets, and then I have to find like a storage TV stand thingy right here. Decor, mirror, cute. Maybe you can put like a little picture right there, something like that. Runner. When you walk in, it's a cute little mirror, and then like a little table is gonna go right here. Stay tuned for part 2. Hey y'all, so I am back home, and today was a success, I would say. We got a couple of pieces, and I also got the feel of how the actual living room is actually bigger than I thought. We actually decided on a little color pop. I'll let you guys know what the color pop is on the next video. Stay tuned for part 2. I just have a couple of more shopping to do for her, and then the next video, part 2, we're gonna put it all together. I want to decorate it. I'm gonna make sure everything looks good, do what I do best, which is decorate. But yeah, so that's going to be the end of this video. If you like this little video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, what you doing? Press that subscribe button. Yes, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this content, if you want to see more of it, let me know. Let me know what y'all want to see. But yeah, so thank you so much again. I'll see you guys on the next one, part 2.